Polynomials and linear factors. The first example we're going to look at is given to you. You have a polynomial given to you in factored form. You have to change it to standard form. So the example is write x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. Those are your factors in standard form. So the first two examples, we're going to go back and forth from factored form to standard form, then standard form to factored form. When you write it in from factored form to standard form, you have to multiply all this out. It does not matter the order that you multiply. I started out multiplying the first two. You could have multiplied the last two or the last ones. Does not matter. Okay, I FOILed the first two and ended up with x squared plus 3x plus 2. I took that result and multiplied it to the last factor, which is x plus 3, and you should have ended up with x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6 as your final answer. How would you classify that polynomial?
Cubic polynomial of 4.
Cubic polynomial of 4 terms. Very good. Okay, does anybody have any questions about how we multiplied all that out? What? No, anything over 3. We only have names for 3 terms. You have monomial, binomial, trinomial. Anything over that we go by the number of terms. Okay. We still need that up? Everybody got it? Alright. Next example, we're going to go from...
So is it cubic quadratic?
That would be a cubic polynomial of 4 terms.
Oh.
If I ask you to classify it. Okay, the next example, we're going to go from standard form to factored form. So you're given 2x cubed plus 10x squared plus 12x, write it in factored form. Okay, what's the first thing you always do?
GCF.
When you factor, you look for a GCF. This one does have a GCF.
2x.
2x is your GCF, so when you pull that out, you're left with x squared plus 5x plus 6. And the x squared plus 5x plus 6 can be factored to x plus 3 and x plus 2. Y'all remember how to factor those trinomials? The 3 and 2 came because we have these two numbers multiply to give you this number and add to give you that number. Good?